Ecliptic is a plane containing the orbit of the Earth around the Sun, or the great circle on the celestial sphere that represents the apparent orbit of the Sun around the Earth. So we have two definitions, and it all is based on your point of view. On the left, we're on planet Earth looking outwards into the sky, and on the right, we're outside of Earth, outside the solar system, looking backwards towards the solar system. So we have two definitions. So let's go start with the one on the left. The one on the left says a plane containing the orbit of the Earth around the Sun. So here we're looking on Earth, and we're looking out at constellations in blue, and we're looking at the moon, and we're looking at various different planets, Mercury, Jupiter, and Mars. Now notice this red line in the sky. Well, this red line in the sky is the ecliptic. So I'm just going to quickly draw it in with this yellow line because it's also the path that the Sun makes or appears to make around the Earth. So I colored it yellow. Now notice we don't have Mars or Jupiter or Mercury exactly on the line. It is slightly above or slightly below, and that is because it is the plane containing just the orbit of the Earth and the Sun. Those are the only two objects in the orbit in the plane. Now we can't show a plane, which is a sheet of paper. We can't show it in a two-dimensional image. Since we're looking edge on, we show it as a line. Now let's go look on this side, on the right side. That's going with the right side of the definition. It is the great circle on the celestial sphere that represents the apparent orbit of the Sun around the Earth. So the ecliptic is this line that we see right here. If you look very closely, we can see this ring that is going around the Earth. The Earth is here in the center, and we have this ring on the celestial sphere, which we call the ecliptic, which is the apparent path that the Sun makes around the Earth in one Earth year. So here we have our two definitions for ecliptic, depending on your point of view looking. You're looking outwards on the left into the heavens from planet Earth, or on the right, you're looking outside the solar system looking back in.